Hello children, welcome to Sasu Fun Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn about utensils items. So let's start the class. Tongs, tongs, grater, grater, ladle, ladle, colander, colander, measuring, measuring, whisk, whisk, spoons, spoons, measuring cup, measuring cup, knife, knife, roller pin, roller pin, cutting board, cutting board, spatula, spatula, pillar, pillar, potato masher, potato masher, can opener, can opener, frying pan, frying pan, pizza cutter, pizza cutter, kitchen shears, kitchen shears, blender, blender. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in next class. Bye bye. Take care.